Hi everyone, this is vlog number 1 of my journey to Lithuania. And yes, today I'm going to Lithuania. My destination is small city Trakai and of course wonderful Trakai castle, and then I will go to Vilnius, capital city of Lithuania. And this will be the driving vlog. So currently I'm driving to Lithuania and I will show you Latvian and Lithuanian roads. And yeah, actually I haven't planned this trip in advance. The idea to go to Lithuania on this weekend was spontaneous and I would say unexpected. And actually it's a funny story, so let me share with you. So last weekend I decided to buy a new table to my eating room in my apartment, and I found really good one in Ikea shop, or Ikea as someone in our country usually pronounces the name of this shop. So yeah, I found this beautiful table which fits perfectly to my apartment from a design point of view. So I went to the shop and I found that it's sold out. So I went to the guys at the info stand and asked them, okay, when can I expect this table to be available again? And they replied that unfortunately, due to logistics and delivery problems, maybe only next year. And yeah, I was really sad because, as I said, this table fits perfectly in my apartment, and then I thought, but we have Ikea shops in Lithuania as well. So I went to Ikea internet page for Lithuanian shop and found that they have this table available, and actually they have even 12 tables. And I thought, okay, maybe I should go to Lithuania and buy this table there. And yeah, that's how the idea to have a trip adventure in Lithuania came up. So I kind of traveling. We'll explore capital city of Lithuania, Vilnius. Also we'll go to visit Trakai castle because it's not far away from Vilnius. And in between I will visit Ikea shop and buy the table, and yeah. So yeah, now I'm driving to Lithuania, and soon we will approach Bauska city. It's early in the morning, now it's 7 o'clock. The road till Vilnius will take approximately 3 hours and 50 minutes. I'm already driving for 1 hour, I guess. So yeah, I would say almost 3 hours left till my destination. And first I will visit Trakai castle. Like initially the plan was to go to Ikea, buy the table, which I already have ordered through internet shop. Then go to Vilnius, spend the day in Vilnius, stay overnight, because yes, this trip will be like 2-day trip. And then on Sunday go to Trakai Castle. But I have checked weather forecast, and today and tomorrow the weather will not be good. It will be raining almost all day. So I made some slight changes in the plan. So today I will visit Trakai Castle. This is the first destination in today's journey. Spend there a few hours, and then we'll go to Vilnius and spend the second half of the day in Vilnius. We'll stay overnight in a hotel, and on Sunday, if the weather is good, maybe have some walking in the old town of Vilnius in the morning, and then going home back to Riga. And now we are driving through Bauska, small Latvian city. We have been here. We have visited Bauska Castle. I have a video about our visit to this castle. I will put the link in the description, so please watch this video if you haven't yet. Very nice castle. And while we are driving and you are enjoying the views of Latvian roads and nature, let me share what kind of videos about Lithuania can you expect on my channel in near future. So yeah, this is vlog number 1, driving video. We'll be driving from Riga to Trakai and then Vilnius. And as I told you, my plan is to visit Trakai Castle and capital city of Lithuania, Vilnius. So you can definitely expect 2 big videos, one about Trakai Castle and one about Vilnius. I will be walking in the old town, showing you some must-see sightseeing objects in Vilnius. But besides these 2 big videos, one about Vilnius and one about Trakai, I will make a few additional videos, vlog format videos. Yeah, vlog format videos, or as I call them, companion videos. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and of course press like. And soon we will approach Latvian-Lithuanian border. So yeah, we have just crossed the border, Latvian-Lithuanian border, and now officially in Lithuania. The weather is very good today. The sun is shining, not so many clouds in the sky. good. But tomorrow will be raining, at least according to weather forecast. But I still hope that in the morning the weather will be good, even if it will be cloudy. I hope that there will be no rain, or at least small little rain. Yeah, this is Lithuanian road, and we are going to Trakai. Driving through Lithuanian roads. Hope to find some parking lot to have a break, small break. Yeah, 143 kilometers till Vilnius. I hope to find a sign how to go to Trakai, or I will have to turn on navigation on my phone. hope to find a place to have a stop, to have a break, because I want to eat something, drink, and have a small rest. There was one place on the other side of the road, but here we have nothing for now. Yeah, this road is very good asphalt. The weather is nice, sun is shining, and I'm enjoying this road trip to Lithuania. I'm a little bit tired since I woke up at approximately at 5 o'clock in the morning. Since I wanted to have more time to spend in Vilnius and Trakai. Yeah, finally I found some place where to have a break. I'm not sure if they are working. Hopefully yes. Let's find out. Yeah, it's a very nice place. I ordered some master's breakfast, Lithuanian master's breakfast. It's scrambled eggs with potatoes and some vegetables. I hope it will be tasty. And as you see, they have a very beautiful place. Had a very good breakfast, and now have a power to drive again. Let's continue our journey to Trakai Castle.